official statement and message to the oppressive government of Bangladesh by Systemadminbd. To the oppressive regime of Bangladesh, you have committed heinous acts of violence against the common people and students, assaulted our daughters, and torn apart the very fabric of our society. Your oppressive actions have inflicted unbearable suffering on our youth and led to the senseless murder of our children. Your reign of terror has gone unchecked for too long. The time has come for us to act decisively. Your so-called smart Bangladesh will be reduced to ashes. We will not waste our efforts on petty defacements or superficial data leaks. Our vengeance will be delivered through the relentless onslaught of ransomware, systematically crippling your infrastructure and bringing your operations to a grinding halt. This is not a mere warning, it is an unequivocal declaration of war. The hour of reckoning is upon you, and there will be no mercy. We will dismantle your systems, expose your vulnerabilities, and ensure that your oppressive machinery is rendered powerless. Prepare for the relentless storm that is about to descend upon you. We are Systemadminbd, and we will not rest until justice is served and your tyranny is obliterated. Let the battle commence. You have committed violence against the common people and students when the students initiated a peaceful protest. They were met with unprecedented violence. Police deployed tear gas, charged the protesters with batons. Your government imposed a communication blackout. Army was deployed nationwide, and